Hello, I am Professor Nagnath Hulle, and in this video we will try to understand how to club the two videos by using different tools. Here I am showing how to merge the two videos by using Windows Movie Maker. I will go to this website and here get Movie Maker freeware. I am trying to use the freeware all the times. Here if I will come to this website, then here we go to the Microsoft website, and then we can draw the download that particular Movie Maker. And here if I'm able to show here, this is freeware, we can download for free. I have already downloaded, I have installed also. That's why I will come to the initial page. Now here in this case, this is here it is available with me. This is Movie Maker, Windows Movie Maker. I have installed on my PC. Here click in this window and select the videos which you want to merge. I'm using this is sample video 1 and sample video 2. I will select both using shift button and just click on open. Now here these are the very short videos. That's why it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 frames are available. If it is large in size, because to show the minimum period, or it will take some time to upload here. That's why I used the small videos. Many features are also available in this case. Now here we can play these videos. We can go through it. I have muted the audio for both videos. This is video 1 and video 2. We can edit. Here is option for edit. Here I will take this down my screen, otherwise I will keep on this side. Here in this edit, split option is available. Suppose I want to cut some portion in this particular video. I will stop here. I will go to this. Now here we can stop this video. We can play this video. Suppose I want to trim here, that is split. I want to delete some portion here. Then I will play again. I want to delete some portion here. I will make split and I will delete this portion which is unwanted part of my video, and so on. After that we can have that is you can save the movie which is suitable to you. That is maybe my movie, or you can go for any other options also. Here options compatible to the YouTube and so on. I'm using this compatible to the YouTube. This is my movie. I will save here. It will save, and it has combined features of my both videos, that is video 1 and video 2. That's why while using the screen cosmetic, the size of the video will be 15 minutes limited. You can take one video of the 15 minute here, you can take the another video of the 15 minute here, and you can club those two videos together and you can publish. Then after the saving, that particular folder, that file will be available in that folder. I will show. And then we are able to publish such videos. Thank you for watching this particular video. That's all. This is I'm playing.